In this video, I will show you how to create a fully automated salary sheet in Microsoft Excel. We will use formulas and Excel Copilot to generate a calculation automatically, making payroll management much easier. Now here, if you are a beginner and want to know how to open an Excel, let me just quickly show you start and then click on this option called Excel. The moment you do, you just have to simply click on this option, blank workbook over here. Okay. The moment you do, you just have to simply add here as the employee ID. Okay. Let's go next. Here, I'll call this as an employee name. Here, I will call this as a basic salary, HRA, DA. Okay. I'll move next. Here, let's talk about gross salary. Good. And this one, I'll say PF, tax. Let's go here and let's say net salary. Okay. So these are the top fields I have added over here. In your case, those can be a different, okay, or maybe addition, deletion, couple of fields are may not required in your companies, right? So you can simply delete that. But these are the standard fields what use in this. Save this. Let's say salary training. Okay. And I'm saving this on OneDrive. First, save your workbook on OneDrive. The moment it's done, it will show you the naming like this salary underscore training. Okay. Here, you have to click on this option, Copilot, and let me just type a prompt over here. You can take a screenshot if really needed. Okay. Create a payroll table, okay, with columns, EMP ID. So whatever fields you have added there, right? Simply add that over here. Employee name, basic salary. Okay. And once we have it, we have this HRA here, DA and gross salary, good, PF and tax and net salary. Also add 10 dummy entries against each column A1 to until I suppose here I'll say I10. Okay. So this is the basic prompt I have typed over here. Let's see what exactly the result we get it over here. Sometimes it may take longer than usual. So you just have to take the patience over here. And the moment it's done, I can see this data has been added over here and I'll hit a OK button over here. This data is now reflected over here. Since this is available in normal text format over here. Now what I'm going to do over here is I'll just say Control T and click on this option called tables. Okay, now it's converted into a table over here. And I can convert this into a table over here. Once it is done, I'll just go up over here and I can see what type of calculation has been done over here. So formula has been added over here. I'll go at the top here. Employee ID, these are the employee IDs, these are the static value over here. And even employee name, these are the 10 dummy names we have asked. So this is what included over here. Basic salary, base salary is amounts so and so. Okay, so this is the base salary has been added over here. You can change that based on the requirement. And once it is done, what I need over here is I'll just simply go here, HRA. Okay, the basic salary, my basic salary is this into 40%. So if I go here, I can see the formula added over here, right? Likewise, if I go here, DA, which is my allowance like this, basic salary is a 0.1, okay, into this. And if I go at the bottom, total earnings, basic HRA plus DA, this is the total earnings over here. The provident fund deduction, so here it's my basic salary into 12. So if I go here and I check this, this is my basic salary like this. And this table is formatted in a blue headers, which we have seen over here already. The pro tip, if in case you want to create that in a dashboard format, okay, what you can do here is you can simply ask Copilot only, analyze payroll expenses and summarize with key insights. Simply, I'll type this, analyze payroll expense summarize the insights over here. Okay. The moment I do, I'll just hit a enter button over here. It will take some time to give us the result over here. Okay. And hit a done button over here. Now you have a fully automated payroll sheet, build Excel formulas and Copilot anytime. You can add new employees calculation update automatically. That's how beautifully you can take the help of Copilot and make your life easy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.